Today, I, Aliza Siddiqui, and my dear friend Sanskriti Chandel of Class 7 will be conducting today's Independence Day program. We celebrate every year. We live it each day. It is the result of struggle of many generations. The independence we are celebrating today has a story written in blood, molded by strong hands and realized by wise minds and achieved by brave hearts.
हर साल जश्न मनाते हैं, हर रोज से हम जीते हैं, कई युग लड़े लड़े ये आजादी जिसे हम कहते हैं.
A very warm welcome to all of you, the free sons and daughters of Mother India, to celebrate the 74th Independence Day.
The tricolor is a symbol of courage, peace, truth, and growth. When our beautiful flag unfurls, each and every Indian swells with pride and respect for the country.
Very true, संस्कृति. हमारा तिरंगा साहस, शांति, सच और विकास का प्रतीक है. जब हमारा अद्भुत तिरंगा फहराता है तो हर भारतीय का दिल गर्व और सम्मान से भर जाता है. तो चलिए हम भी बनते हैं इस सुनहरे क्षण का हिस्सा और तैयार होते हैं ध्वजारोहण के लिए.
संस्कृति चंडेल सी राम राम क्या है?
तेरा भी जाओ अपने आप अभी क्या हमारे साथ नीचे किस लिए है
मैं प्रत्युष शर्मा ज्ञान देवता लग रहा है बिल्कुल. मैं क्लास टीचर हूँ. उन्हें खाने का
बसता है हर दिल में, लाता खुशी हर चेहरे पे. क्या हो सकता है ये जो भर दे उजाला अंधेरे में? हमारा राष्ट्रीय गीत, Independence Day, and of course, it is incomplete without the country pledge. The pledge which unites us all.
आओ वादा करें, खाए ये कसम, देश के लिए जिए, देश पे निकले ये दम. ले एक शपथ इस देश के स्वाभिमान की, ले एक शपथ इस देश की तरक्की की, देश की एकता की. आज इस स्वतंत्रता दिवस के उपलक्ष्य में, जो कि राष्ट्र शपथ के बिना अधूरा है, ये वो शपथ है जो हम सबको संयुक्त करती है. तो आइए हम सब तैयार होते हैं राष्ट्र शपथ के लिए.
National Pledge of India. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country. I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To all my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
India is a land of many cultures and languages. But there's one thing which unites us all and is the universal language, music. A perfect mixture of all our diverse cultures and the best representative of our country.
आमंत्रित करना चाहूंगी अपने प्यारे साथियों को, जो हम सबके सामने एक बहुत ही प्यारा मनमोहक गीत प्रस्तुत करेंगे।
Beautiful, absolutely beautiful performance. नृत्य अभिव्यक्ति का एक अद्भुत नृत्य अभिव्यक्ति का एक अद्भुत तरीका है, साथ ही वह हमारी भावनाओं को सीधे हृदय तक पहुंचाने का एक सुंदर तरीका भी है।
Dance has traditionally been an important part of religion and culture in India. According to the Indian legend, the gods invented dance. Dancing is one of the most revered arts because it incorporates melody, drama, form, and line. Gestures, body position, and head movements are emphasized in Indian dance. So now I would like to call upon my dear friends for a beautiful dance performance.
देखो छा गया है आकाश पर अब तिरंगा, भरे भरे मन गर्व से है लहरा गया जब तिरंगा। लोगों देखो देखो छा गया है आकाश पर अब तिरंगा। ऐ वतन जननी तूने दिया है जीवन, तूने दिए आराम। जननी तेरा प्यार है मन में, होठों पे तेरा नाम। जननी अब तो एक ही धुन है, आए तेरे काम। जाग जाग तो सुना है और जाग जाग हिम्मत है, रास्ते हैं और कारवां है और मंजिलों की चाहत है। जाग जाग हिंदुस्तां है और जागी जागी हिम्मत है, रास्ते हैं और कारवां है और मंजिलों की चाहत है। जागा हिंदुस्तां, जागा हिंदुस्तां।
That was such a heart-touching performance, really heart-touching. The great sons and daughters of Mother India never die. They live forever in the hearts of each and every Indian, and their voices continue to motivate us. अमर रहे ये गोद तुम्हारी, तेरे शिशु ना मरते हैं, तज कर स्वर्ग चले जो जाते, वह नभ से देखा करते हैं।
They now have become bright stars in the sky and guiding us from there. On this Independence Day, let the voices be reiterated in our ears. And for that, I would like to call upon students of class 7 For this segment of our celebration, the Voices of India, देश की आवाज इस देश के बच्चों की बातें। Mahatma Gandhi was the leader of India's non-violent independence movement against the British rule, and in South Africa, who advocated for the civil rights of Indians. Born in Porbandar, India, Bapu studied law and organized boycotts against the British institutions in peaceful forms of civil disobedience. Now it's the time for leaders' speech, for which I would like to call upon Anshuman Singh of class 7th, who would be representing father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi.
मैं मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी, आप प्यार से मुझे बापू कहते हैं और मैं आपसे बात करना चाहता हूँ। मेरी तो तमन्ना ये है, मेरी तो आशा ये है, ईश्वर से प्रार्थना ये है कि हिंदुस्तान ऐसा लगे जिससे सारी दुनिया कहे अगर आज़ाद बनना है तो हिंदुस्तान के जैसा आज़ाद बनो। ऐसा करने में आप सब बहुत बड़े हिस्सेदार बन सकते हैं। सबके साथ अपनी जगह पर अपने धर्म का पालन करें तो मैं कहता हूँ हिंदुस्तान इतना अच्छा बनेगा, इसमें तनिक भी शंका नहीं रहेगी।
झांसी की रानी रानी लक्ष्मीबाई 1857 की भारतीय क्रांति में एक प्रमुख भूमिका निभाई थी। वह ब्रिटिश राज के प्रतिरोध की एक प्रतीक भी बन गई थी।
Rani Lakshmibai was one of the leading warriors of India's first struggle for independence, a symbol of bravery, patriotism, and honor. Rani Lakshmibai was born on 19th November 1828 representing Jhansi ki Rani, that is Rani Lakshmibai.
मैं रानी लक्ष्मीबाई अपनी झांसी किसी को नहीं दूंगी। झांसी आप भी चाहते हैं और मैं भी। फर्क बस इतना है कि आपको राज करना है और मुझे अपनों की सेवा। हम लड़ेंगे ताकि आने वाली पीढ़ी आजादी का उत्सव मना सके, क्योंकि जब बेटी खड़ी होती है तब विजय बड़ी होती है। मैं वो मिसाल बनूंगी जो हर भारतीय के अंदर आजादी की भूख भर के दहकेगी। जय हिंद।
विजय लक्ष्मी पंडित एक भारतीय राजनयिक और राजनीतिज्ञ थी। उन्होंने लंदन में काफी समय बिताया, जिसने हमें भारत और ब्रिटेन के रिश्तों में एक अंतर्दृष्टि दी।
Vijay Lakshmi Pandit was born on 18 August 1900. She was a diploma who was president of the United
Good morning, everyone. I am Vijayalakshmi Pandit and I would like to say some words to you all people present here. I stand before this great assembly, unique in the annals to human history, where all the representatives of free countries of the world are gathered together, not only to proclaim the adherence of my country, but the principles and the purposes of the United Nations organization embodied in its charter. The determination to our people to help to make this country, namely India, united. Thank you.
चंद्रशेखर आजाद एक भारतीय क्रांतिकारी थे जिन्होंने कुछ युवाओं के समूह को संगठित किया और उन्हें भारतीय स्वतंत्रता आंदोलन में भाग लेने के लिए प्रेरित भी किया।
मैं आजाद हूँ, चिंगारी आजादी की सुलगी मेरे जश्न में है, इंकलाब की ज्वालाएं लिपटी मेरे बदन में है। मौत जहाँ जन्नत हो ये बात मेरे वतन में है, कुर्बानी का जज्बा जिंदा मेरे कफन में है।
एनी बेसेंट एक राजनीतिक सुधारक थी, साथ ही वह एक भारतीय राष्ट्रवादी भी थी। उन्होंने अपने जीवन के अंत तक सक्रिय रूप से भारत की स्वतंत्रता के लिए आंदोलन चलाया।
Annie Besant was a political reformer, women's rights activist, and Indian nationalist. In 1893, she first visited India and soon became involved in the Indian national struggle for freedom. Till the end of her life, she actively campaigned for Indian independence and causes of Theosophy. Coming to the conclusion of leader's speech, it's time to call Devika Singh of class 7th K, who would be representing Annie Besant.
A common religion is not possible for India, but a recognition of a common basis for all religion and the growth of unconservative, intolerant spirit in religious matter are possible.
Musical instruments are an essential part of music. Their soothing melodies can liven up any place. Deep and meaningful, they seem to speak a language beyond words.
संगीत वाद्य यंत्र संगीत का अमोल अंग है। उससे उत्पन्न हुई मधुर ध्वनि किसी भी जगह को रोशन कर सकती है। ये ध्वनि इतनी मधुर और भावपूर्ण होती है जो शब्द भी कभी-कभी नहीं कह सकते। आइए अब हम सब एक बहुत ही मनमोह लेने वाली संगीत वाद्य यंत्र की तरफ बढ़ते हैं।
चलो चला गया क्या इनको चला के
such a lovely and melodious performance. कविता साहित्य का एक विशेष विषय है। किसी की भावनाओं को शब्दों में व्यक्त करने का यह सबसे अच्छा तरीका है।
Aliza, just a minute. We welcome our principal, respected principal ma'am, for the celebration of Independence Day. Achta ma'am, over to you.
On behalf of all the students and staff of the junior section, I welcome our most respected principal ma'am. Ma'am, you're most welcome for the celebrations.
Thank you so much. I'm really enjoying the program. It's really very good. Very well organized, very well planned. It's really very good. You can carry on with the program.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. So, Aliza, over to you, Jay.
Poetry is the type of literature that expresses ideas, feelings, or tells a story in a specific form. The art of expressing one's thoughts in verse is poetry. It uses few words to convey its message and arouses our emotions. So now I would like to invite my dear friends Tanisha and Shardul for the poetry.
सरफरोशी की तमन्ना द्वारा राम प्रसाद बिस्मिल। सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है, देखना है जोर कितना बाजुए कातिल में है, देखना है जोर कितना बाजुए कातिल में है। करता नहीं क्यों दूसरा कुछ बातचीत, देखता हूं मैं जिसे वो चुप तेरी महफिल में है। ऐ मेरे मुल्क मिल्लत मैं तेरे ऊपर निसार, अब तेरी हिम्मत का चर्चा गैर की महफिल में है। सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है, देखना है जोर कितना बाजुए कातिल में है। वक्त आने पर बता देंगे तुझे ऐ आसमां, वक्त आने पर बता देंगे तुझे ऐ आसमां, हम अभी से क्या बताएं क्या हमारे दिल में है। खींच कर लाई है सबको कत्ल होने की उम्मीद, खींच कर लाई है सबको कत्ल होने की उम्मीद, आशिकों का आज जमघट ऊंचाई का दिल में है। सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है, देखना है जोर कितना बाजुए कातिल में है। लिए हथियार दुश्मन ताक में बैठा उधर, है लिए हथियार दुश्मन ताक में बैठा उधर, और हम तैयार हैं सीना लिए अपना इधर। खून से खेलेंगे होली गर वतन मुश्किल में है, खून से खेलेंगे होली गर वतन मुश्किल में है। सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है, देखना है जोर कितना बाजुए कातिल में है। हाथ जिनमें है जुनून कटते नहीं तलवार से, हाथ जिनमें है जुनून कटते नहीं तलवार से, सर जो उठ जाते हैं वो झुकते नहीं ललकार से। और भड़केगा जो शोला सा हमारे दिल में है, सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है, देखना है जोर कितना बाजुए कातिल में है। हम तो घर से ही थे निकले बांध कर सर पर कफन, हम तो घर से ही थे निकले बांध कर सर पर कफन, जहां हथेली पर लिए लो बढ़ चले हैं ये कदम। जिंदगी तो अपनी मेहमान मौत की महफिल में है, सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है, देखना है जोर कितना बाजुए कातिल में है। यूं खड़ा मक्तल में कातिल कह रहा है बार बार, यूं खड़ा मकतल में कातिल कह रहा है बार बार, क्या तमन्ना ए शहादत भी किसी के दिल में है? दिल में तूफानों की टोली और नसों में इनकलाब, धोश दुश्मन की उड़ा देंगे, हमें रोको ना आज। हम दूर रह पाए जो हमसे, अरे दम कहां मंजिल में है। सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है, देखना है जोर कितना बाजुए कातिल में है। वो जिस्म भी क्या जिस्म है जिसमें ना हो खूने जुनून, वो जिस्म भी क्या जिस्म है जिसमें ना हो खूने जुनून। अरे क्या लड़े तूफान से जो कश्तिए साहिल में है, सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है, देखना है जोर कितना बाजुए कातिल में है, देखना है जोर कितना बाजुए कातिल में है। जय हिंद।
सुप्रभात आप सभी को। अब मैं आपके समक्ष माँ की गोद नामक कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ। जन्मभूमि जननी से बढ़कर ऋषियों ने इसको गाया है। भारत माता की इस गोदी में कितना सुख हमने पाया है। आज हमें भारत जननी की रह रह कर याद सताती है। कितने युग बीते इस गोदी में, कितने युग बीते इस गोदी में, यह सदा हमें अपनाती है। तेरे शिष्यों को तुझको प्यारे हैं, तू उनको सब कुछ देती है। अपराध भी हम ही से होते हैं, तू क्षमा सभी को कर देती है। तुझे सजाया है विधि करने, मुकुट हिमालय सिर पर देकर, तुझे मनाया है ईश्वर ने गंगा की माला पहनाकर। तेरे चरणों को धोने को सागर भी बढ़कर आता है। रीझ रीझ तेरी शोभा पर, रीझ रीझ तेरी शोभा पर खुद स्वर्ग उतर कर आता है। पूरब पश्चिम के कोने में तेरा ही आंचल फैला है। उत्तर दक्षिण की सीमा में तेरी ममता का मेला है। गांधी, नेहरू और शास्त्री सब तुझे देख मुस्काते हैं। राजेंद्र, रविंद्र और जाकिर भी तेरी महिमा को गाते हैं। जन्मभूमि जननी से बढ़कर ऋषियों ने उसको गाया है। भारत माता की इस गोदी में, भारत माता की इस गोदी में कितना सुख हमने पाया है। धन्यवाद।
Such bold and patriotic lines. Awesome. And now I'd like to invite our respected senior principal ma'am, Mrs. Jyoti Kashyap, and our respected principal ma'am, Mrs. Shivani Singh, to bless us with their kind words.
Greetings to all on the 74th Independence Day of our free country. Today, as I stand before you, I'm reminded of the sacrifices our great leaders made to achieve this freedom. It's time that we ponder on these sacrifices and see what best we can do to sustain this freedom. India is still a developing nation. In spite of all the developments in various fields which have taken place, India still remains a developing nation. So what can be done to make this developing nation a developed one? And I feel the first and the foremost aspect could be making the country self-reliant, as is very rightly stated by our Honorable Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi. Time has come when we stop depending on other countries for various things. Only and only when we become self-sufficient, when we are able to cater to our own needs in every field, can the country become a developed nation. For that, what is required? I think we need to focus mainly on three things. The first one, poverty and hunger. It is essential that each and every individual of this country is able to meet the basic requirement for living. Nobody is hungry, nobody is without finances, and nobody is such who is suffering from malnutrition. Second thing, and the most important I would say, is education. Education of children, education of girls, prevention of child labor, advancement of technology. Don't you think it's important? What happened in this crisis? Had technology not been there, do you think education would have been possible? Do you think teaching learning process would have been on? No. It would have been a 0 year with no teaching, no learning taking place at all. But it's only because of technology that we were very easily able to switch over to online classes, to technology. What about those people who are not able to do that? What about those people who cannot afford a smartphone or a laptop or a tablet? It is time that we see and we are able to cater to the needs of the underprivileged people in the society. As children, you need to be focused, you need to set your goals, you need to set your targets, you need to insist not only in getting certificates and degrees, but you also need to insist on value education. Because without proper value system, nothing is possible in today's world. I'm thankful to all the teachers, to all the wonderful and adorable students, and all the very cooperative and understanding parents who have really stood by us in this hour of crisis. How beautifully the teachers switched over to technology, preparing each lesson, all the trainings they underwent. Every day they are making themselves better and better. So, onus naturally lies on the citizens of the country. You can just do about anything. You are capable of doing just about anything. How beautifully the parents cooperated. With the small children, they were sitting, logging in, sitting with them, helping them. It is not very easy. So in this hour of crisis, we have all been together helping each other to do our best. Similarly, we all need to work in unison with each other, for each other, to make this country a developed nation to make this place a beautiful place and to help in the sustenance of freedom which we have achieved with great difficulty. So in the end, I would like to say these two lines for everybody, for all Indians. जो भरा नहीं है भावों से, जो भरा नहीं है भावों से, बहती जिसमें रसधार नहीं, जो भरा नहीं है भावों से, बहती जिसमें रसधार नहीं, वो हृदय नहीं है, पत्थर है, वो हृदय नहीं है, पत्थर है, जिसमें स्वदेश का प्यार नहीं। जय हिंद एंड जय जगत।
Good morning and Jai Jagat everyone. I extend my warm greetings to all. As we celebrate Independence Day today with joy and fervor, we also need to pay tribute to those who fought tirelessly to achieve the freedom and those who shaped its destiny with morals, traditions and values. The scholars from all over the world have applauded the Indians' culture, tradition and knowledge. Einstein acknowledged with gratitude, and I quote, "We owe a lot to the Indians who taught us how to count, without which no worthwhile scientific discovery could have been made." Unquote. The German scholar Max Müller also paid tribute to the Indian reflective tradition and the mind when he said, and I quote again, "If I were asked under what sky the human mind has most fully developed some of its choicest gifts, has most deeply pondered over the greatest problems of life and found solution, I should point to India." Unquote. As India discovers herself again, we need to augment on the values system. We need to come together to develop a nation of harmony, peace, and growth. We need to build a legacy that is free from the prevalent negativity, free from prejudice and corruption. We need to build a legacy which Rabindranath Tagore dreamt long back, where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where knowledge is free, where the word has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls, where words come out from the depth of truth, where tireless striving stretches its arms towards perfection, where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dreary desert sand of dead habit, where the mind is led forward by thee into ever-widening thought and action, into that heaven of freedom, my Father, let my country awake. Friends, time has come for all of us to ask, what can I give to my nation? On this Independence Day, let us all resolve to do something for our nation. Let us all pledge that I will be a responsible citizen. I'll try to make everyone happy, my parents, my teachers, everybody. I'll keep my home and my surroundings clean and green by planting trees and recycling. I'll ensure that each one must teach one. I will ensure that my home is a home of ethics and will give a corruption-free home to the nation. Above all, my flag flies in my heart and I bring glory to the nation. I'll respect all the religions and I'll teach the lesson of love, peace and harmony to others, as I know strength lies in unity. Remember, खंडित होने से शिल्प सदा ठोकर खाता गलियारों में, गौरव होता पूरे घर का बटता न कभी दीवारों में। जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय जगत।
Thank you, Honorable Senior Principal Ma'am and respected Principal Ma'am, for enlightening our day with such encouraging and motivating words. We ensure and promise you that we, the students of City Montessori and the youth of India, will take India to the glory of this world.
यह एक शानदार सुबह रही है और इस सुबह को इतना खास और यादगार बनाने के लिए मैं अपने सभी मित्रों को धन्यवाद कहना चाहूंगी और इस कार्यक्रम की तैयारी में हमारा मार्गदर्शन करने के लिए प्रिय शिक्षकों को भी धन्यवाद। हमें इतने सुंदर शब्दों के साथ आशीर्वाद देने के लिए मैं अपनी दोनों प्रधानाचार्य महोदया को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद कहना चाहती हूँ। और अब अंत में मैं सबको स्वतंत्रता दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं देना चाहूंगी।
I would also like to thank everybody, all the teachers, all the students for this wonderful program, especially Sanskriti and Aliza for anchoring the program so well. Thank you Apurv and Vatsala for sharing the screen, for all the videos, all the music teachers and all those who have contributed to this. It was very, very wonderful. God bless all of you. And once again, a very, very happy Independence Day to all of you. Thank you very much. Stay happy, stay blessed.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am, for blessing us with such kind words.
Yes, ma'am. It's our pleasure.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Bye. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. It has
Ma'am,
been
thank
a
you, ma'am.
wonderful morning.
Thank you,
And
ma'am.
I would
Jai
like
Jagat,
to
ma'am.
thank
Thank you, ma'am.
all my dear friends for participating in the various programs and making this event so memorable. Thank you all the teachers for helping us in the planning and execution of the event. Thank you, Honorable Senior Principal Ma'am and respected Principal Ma'am, for your kind words. This was truly an amazing way that celebrated today's Independence Day program. I would like to end by wishing everyone a very happy Independence Day. Thank you and Jai Jagat.
Thank you, dear Lisa. Most welcome.
Thank you so much, ma'am. There is one more surprise. There is one more surprise. Before we end this session, there is another outstanding presentation by one of the students. So we'll end this meeting with this beautiful presentation.
Independence Day, my dear teachers and friends. Today we are celebrating 74th Independence Day. On account of it, I, Ishan Mishra of class 7J, is going to sing a patriotic song dedicated to my lovely country, India. जब जीरो दिया मेरे भारत ने मेरे भारत ने दुनिया को तब गिनती आई तारों की भाषा भारत ने दुनिया को पहले सिखलाई देता ना दशमलव भारत तो यूं चांद पे जाना मुश्किल था धरती और चांद की दूरी का अंदाजा लगाना मुश्किल था सभ्यता जहाँ पहले आई सभ्यता जहाँ पहले आई पहले जन्मी है जहाँ पे कला अपना भारत वो भारत है जिसके पीछे संसार चला और आगे बढ़ा यूं आगे बढ़ा बढ़ता ही गया भगवान करे ये और बढ़े बढ़ता ही रहे और फूले फले बढ़ता ही रहे और फूले फले।
Happy Independence Day to my dear teachers and friends. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat and Jai Jagat.
अपना भारत वो भारत है जिसके पीछे संसार। Wow, such marvelous lines. They are so good that they multiply the patriotism. And now it's a goodbye from all of us, and again a very, very happy Independence Day to everyone.
And children, I must say this, that we really missed you in school today. We really missed you in school today. We did have the program, a short program by the teachers, but we really missed all the children in school today. So let's hope to see you soon. Goodbye.
Ma'am, thank you so much, ma'am. Before we end, children, wish you all a very happy 74th Independence Day to each one of you present over here, and you were part of the celebration. Now I take this opportunity to thank all of you, and it wouldn't have been possible without constant support by our senior principal ma'am, Jyoti ma'am and Shivani ma'am. And now I would like to mention special names who were behind this program. We were in school, but your teachers, especially Drishti ma'am and Apoor sir, they were all into the preparation along with the children. And I would also like to thank, I would like to thank our music teachers, all your music teachers, starting with Sarita ma'am, Rishi sir, who trained you all for the chorus, then Daniel sir, and we have Jayashri ma'am, who trained you all for your instruments, and we have Lakshmi ma'am. Lakshmi ma'am has taught Vande Mataram to the children. So all the presentations were by our music teachers. I would really like to thank you all, and thank you all the teachers, all our coordinators, Anju ma'am, Sumita ma'am, Kavita ma'am, who've always been a constant support. Thank you so much, dear teachers. Thanks a lot. Here's wishing you all once again a very happy Independence Day. Stay safe, and as Nan said, we really missed you all. So hoping to see you all soon in school. Happy Independence Day, children. Goodbye. Thank you all. Jai Jagat.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, Jai Jagat ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, dear children.
Thank you, Jai Jagat
Wonderful performance.
Thank you, and Jai Jagat ma'am.
The outcome is actually the input of entire CMS family. And few more names. Vasla ma'am, thank you so much for taking the technical aspect in her hand. Thank you so much.
Archana ma'am, thank you.
Archana ma'am, you have thanked everyone.
Thank you,
And now on behalf of everyone,
yes,
I would like to thank you, ma'am.
Certainly.
For
Thank
having
you,
us,
ma'am.
for
Thank
Couldn't
you,
have been
ma'am.
possible without here. Yeah, ma'am.
Wouldn't have been possible.
Couldn't have been possible.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay.
And all dear students, all the participants who have really worked hard to make it successful. Thank you so much, Sanskriti, Aliza, Sanjeevni, and Anshuman, Devika, and all the students. I think I have missed few names, but thank you to all of you, all the students. You are actually the heart and soul of City Montessori School.
Yes,
Thank
and
you
all
so
those
much.
children
Thank
who
you
were the
very
mentors,
much, sir.
Thank you so much.
Did wonderful
Thank
job.
you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Everyone will get
very much, sir. Thank you a lot, sir.
Thank you so much, Vatsala ma'am. Thanks a lot. If I
Welcome,
have
ma'am,
missed out
welcome.
even name,
Okay, ma'am. It's okay.
please forgive me. Yes, thank you so much.
It's okay, ma'am.
Thanks a lot. So we can end the meeting
Right.
now. Thank you
Yeah.
so much. Thank you, and Jai Jagat, all of you. Jai Jagat.
Thank you.
Jai Jagat ma'am. Happy Independence Day, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Happy Independence Day, ma'am.